Hi, and welcome to a Spider Strategies Scoreboard training video. In this video, we'll cover logging in and homepage navigation in Scoreboard. To access and log in to Scoreboard, open a browser. In my case, I've chosen Google Chrome, but Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, and other modern browsers are also acceptable. Provide the URL for your Scoreboard environment and hit enter. You'll be presented with a login screen where you simply provide a username and a password, and in certain organizational situations, you may need to select from a drop-down list of servers or environments that you want to log into, and then click Login. This homepage is the starting point for everyone who logged into Scoreboard, from executives to managers to system administrators, KPI measure updaters, and just simple consumers. However, the homepage is completely personalized and customized to you. Upon logging in, Scoreboard acknowledged who you are, what rights, administrative capabilities, and permissions you have, as well as responsibilities, alerts, and other information you should know about. Let's take a few minutes to review everything that's available to you on your homepage. Starting from the left, we have a black primary navigation pane. It's broken up into three different categories. Personal, which includes your homepage and your bookmarks library. Presentation, which gives you access to dashboards, charts and reports, and briefings that have been created. And the data section, giving you visibility to the underlying scorecards, initiatives, and documents that provide the foundation for everything you find in Scoreboard. Moving to the right, there's the home page navigation pane. This gives you immediate access to alerts, tasks, your KPIs, and the KPIs that you're responsible for updating. Moving further to the right, we have what we'll call the work area, which is broken down to a welcome message area where your system administrator can provide you with helpful messaging and instructions and information to help you best use Scoreboard, as well as the opportunity to show you a video. In this case, we've embedded a training video, which if you click on the training video, will start to run the training video. After you've viewed the video, simply click close and you'll be returned to the Scoreboard homepage. Moving further down the page, we have a new alerts area. In this area of the homepage, you're provided with helpful information about alerts that you have subscribed to or that may have been pushed to you from your system administrator. Moving further to the right, we have a responsibilities area where the listing of KPIs you own, KPIs you update, and any tasks that have been assigned to you are presented. And again, further down to the lower right, we have a Scoreboard support area, allowing you to immediately get Scoreboard support help from whatever support resource has been defined by your Scoreboard administrator. Let's keep our focus on what we've been calling the work area of the homepage, and focus on the new alerts area and the your responsibilities area. Starting with new alerts, I see that an alert has been generated indicating that in the financial organization, there exists a KPI called product revenue, which as of 2 hours ago is indicating a score of 0 for May of 2018. I'd like to investigate that KPI, so I'll click on product revenue. I'm immediately drilled down into the scorecard section of Scoreboard, where I have direct access and visibility to the single KPI of product revenue. I see an overview of its current month performance for the month of May 2018. I can see its historical performance, which was rising and had a precipitous fall in May of 2018. And if I'd like more information, I can click on the KPIs tab to view a report about this product revenue KPI and its performance over the past 6 months. I also see some related items and the ability, if necessary, to edit this KPI, as well as the ability to add a note to this KPI with my thoughts or concerns about the performance in the month of May 2018, and then click the Add Note button. That note is now available for viewing by other participants in the Scoreboard system, and they can provide their input by responding to the note. I'll close the Notes section and use the Home button in the far upper left corner of the black primary navigation pane to return to the home page. Next, let's move over to the Your Responsibilities area of the home page, where there's a listing of KPIs I own, KPIs I update, and my tasks. We'll start with reviewing KPIs I own. If you click on it, you're provided with a consolidated table or listing of all KPIs that you own within the Scoreboard system. You can easily filter the listing of KPIs presented to you via the buttons at the top, where we have the green overperforming KPIs, the yellow average performance KPIs, in this case the 6 red underperforming KPIs, and 3 KPIs that have not been updated for the month of May 2018. We'll return to the home page by clicking the Welcome link under the home page navigation pane and move next to the KPIs I update. We'll click on KPIs I update, and this provides you with a consolidated view of all KPIs that you have been assigned updater responsibility for. Please note that you can filter down and reduce the quantity of KPIs visible to you using the drop-down filter at the top. In this case, we'll leave it at all organizations and acknowledge that for the month of May 2018, under the training organization, we have not yet, as updaters of these KPIs, provided information for product revenue, training revenue, or book revenue. We'll pause here for just a second and add some actual values for the month of May 2018. We've provided the actual values of $490,000 for product revenue, $190,000 for training revenue, and $60,000 for book revenue. And we'll click Update KPIs in the lower right corner. All those actual values for the training organization KPIs are now saved and stored. And if we return to the My KPIs area under the Home navigation pane, we'll see that all of our KPIs have been updated for the current month of May 2018. 5 are now in the overperforming area, 2 are in the average performance yellow area, and 7 are in the red underperforming KPIs category. As before, if you want to investigate any of the underperforming KPIs, simply click on their name and you'll be drilled down into the scorecard section of Scoreboard, where again you can view all the detailed information about a given KPI, in this case that is underperforming. Once again, let's return to the home page. Moving further down the Your Responsibilities area of your home page, we have My Tasks. Similar to the KPIs you own or update, the My Tasks area gives you a listing of all the tasks that you've been assigned to and their current situation. Similar to the KPIs, if you click on any of these tasks, you will dive down into the Initiatives area of Scoreboard and have immediate visibility to detailed information such as budget, time remaining, due dates, completion dates, percentage elapsed, a historical performance graph, the opportunity to take a look at any status updates, and so on regarding initiatives, tasks, or milestones that are available to you in the Initiatives section of Scoreboard. After reviewing an initiative, again you can click the Home section header to return to your home page. At this point, we've covered virtually everything available to you on your Scoreboard homepage. But before we wrap it up and let you go, we'd ask you to look in the lower left-hand corner in the black primary navigation pane and note that there are 2 additional buttons. The first is a universal search button. If you click on the magnifying glass search button, you're provided with the opportunity to do a universal search around a keyword. This will view everything within the Scoreboard repository that pertains to the keyword that you've provided. Secondly, in the lower left corner is the Settings gear icon. If you click on Settings, it opens up the Administrative Settings navigation pane, giving you access to whatever administrative setting, visibility, and capability you have available to you as the logged in user. One last time, I'll click on the Home link in the far upper left, and thank you for your time and attention today reviewing the homepage of Scoreboard. We hope this video on logging in and homepage navigation in Scoreboard has been helpful to you. But if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at learn@spiderstrategies.com. Thank you.